So today we are going to solve the orange one, that is the green one. Arrange it in L shape. So today we will start to arrange this in L shape. The L is formed in green. Now in orange we have to form L. So one is done. L is formed in orange and in yellow. Now the pending is yellow. In yellow the L is formed. So next is white. White we have to form yellow. So here the yellow is formed. White is also formed. Now last is red. In red we have to first skip for the blue, then for green, then for red, then for right. This is the first step of red. Orange, yellow, white, green.